Hey guys, and welcome back to another cleaning video here on my channel. So if you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, then welcome back. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know I haven't posted in a few weeks, but I am back to filming content again, and I'm really excited for this video today. So we are going to be just focusing on getting the main areas of the house clean today, meaning the living room, the kitchen, and the dining area. Also, I want to get some more fall decorations up. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's video. If you do, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to be starting off in the living room, and I'm going to be starting off by just spot treating the couch. I just mixed some warm water and some Dawn dish soap to do this, and I'm using a microfiber cloth. These are one of my microfiber cloths that I get from Home Depot. It comes in a really big pack, I think of like 30, and they're really inexpensive, but that is what I am doing here. There were some spots definitely that needed to be cleaned up, and I didn't want to take out the shampooer to do it. Here I just super smashed my finger and it hurts so bad, but I'm a survivor. And once I was done with that, I went ahead and just quickly vacuumed because I was moving the couch around anyways. And there's always a mystery when I move the couch, and there's no telling what I'm going to find. Today wasn't too bad, so I was really happy about that, because usually my little one likes to stuff all of his wrappers and stuff underneath the couch because he spends a lot of time in the living room. He is actually on the floor under the white blanket there, but trust me, the cleaning does not make him budge. So while he is still sleeping, I am just going to finish up in the living room. Like I said, finish spot treating the couches, and then I'm going to be spraying it down with this Tide disinfectant spray. I showed this in previous videos. I don't love the smell of this when I first spray it, but once it kind of absorbs into the fabrics, it has a really nice, pleasant smell. So I have been really enjoying using that on like the fabrics, especially like on the mattresses and stuff like that. So yeah, once I'm done with the couches, I'm also going to go ahead and give a wipe down to this cabinet area that we have behind this couch. I'm gonna move the couch to this wall here, but I'm just gonna pick up this miscellaneous stuff that is here on the floor, and then we're gonna get this wiped down, and I'm also gonna be fixing the shelves finally, because we finally picked up some pegs. Actually, we've had these pegs for a really long time and just hadn't got around to putting them in, but they have finally been installed to hold up the shelves. So as you've seen, I just went ahead and sprayed the wood down with the Murray's wood cleaning spray. This is also in a oil form for the floors, which works really, really great on laminate and wood flooring. But when I got this one, I've absolutely fallen in love with it. I love the shine that it gives to the wood throughout my house, and it is definitely turned into a favorite. So once that all got installed, I went ahead and just did a quick vacuuming behind here. And of course, when you're cleaning, you find new things to clean, and I seen the baseboards, so I needed to give those a good wipe down really quick. I'm just using some fantastic multi-purpose cleaning spray that I pick up from the dollar store. It works really well on baseboards. And then while I was down here, I seen that the track to our living room sliding glass doors also needed to be cleaned. So I'm pretty much just using the same fantastic spray, and I have a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to give that a good wipe down. I have been really trying to just stay on top of the cleaning like this instead of waiting until it's time to spring clean. That just helps with the spring cleaning so that there's not much to do around that time. So I'm trying to keep things like this on a schedule so that I'm not overwhelmed when it comes to cleaning. So once the living room was all finished, I went ahead and turned my attention over to the dining area. So first things first is wiping down the chandelier. It was really, really dusty. And while I was up here, I noticed that it was untwisted a bit. So I went ahead and twisted that back because if it probably would have untwisted a little bit more, it probably would have come apart. So I'm glad that I seen that and caught that before it was a complete disaster. So once I was done with that, I went ahead and gave the table a good wipe down. It is always really good to clean from top to bottom. Therefore, you can just quickly sweep and wipe everything down once you got all the things overhead done. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly decorate the table. I love doing centerpieces on the table for the holidays. So here is the runner that I had from the 99-cent store from a couple of years back. I'm also gonna be using this tan cloth that was in the Halloween section at the 99-cent store as well. This wreath I also picked up at the 99-cent store for my summer decor that I did earlier in the summer. And I'm just going to be adding some of these leaves. Some of the leaves are repurposed leaves, and then some came with the pumpkins and pine cones that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. This centerpiece bowl is actually from a Walmart standing lamp that I took apart. The base is actually in another project that I'll be showing you guys much later for Halloween, but I just added a green pumpkin inside and a candle, and I love how this turned out. So I'm just going to be putting the table back together, putting my table placemats back, and let me know what you guys think.
Where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go.
So in fact, if you have seen any of my previous videos, you know I love to go all out in our coffee bar area. However, this go round, I kept it very minimal. I think I may add a little bit something, maybe some floral or something like that. You guys will see what all I did in today's video. I do still feel like it's kind of bare compared to what I usually do in this space. But honestly, I was lost for ideas over here. So if you have an idea of something that I can maybe add to this space, then let me know down in the comments, because I mean, I added this like garland, which I thought was really cute. I should have maybe picked up 2 of these. And also the sign that I had from the 99-cent store for a couple of years. And I think it's cute, but it's definitely very minimal compared to what I'm used to. So like I said, I may add onto this area, maybe add some more pumpkins or something in this section of the coffee bar. I'm not sure yet, but I definitely do plan to go all out in this area for Halloween. So for right now, I mean, it may stay this way, but I'm not sure. But I don't absolutely love it, but I do think it's cute.
Won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby. I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby.
now that I am finally in the last area that I'm going to be tackling in today's video, which is the kitchen. So there were just a few dishes that were here on the countertop that I needed to get put away. And in this area, I am just going to just get everything put away, give a good wipe down to the countertops as usual. I was going to do the blinds because once again, when you're cleaning, you always find more things to clean, but I did not do that in today's video, but that is something that is on the list to get done. Once again, trying to take care of those things that just need to be taken care of instead of waiting until a particular season to tackle those things. But for right now, I'm just going to knock out these dishes and get these done, give the countertops a really good wipe down, and then I am going to do a few decorative pieces in this area that I actually love. They complement this space really, really well, and they were really simple to do.
And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, then you may not know, recently my grandmother just passed and I was already kind of dealing with some personal stuff. So I needed to take a break for a bit. And this is actually my first video back in like 3 weeks, I think it is. And like I said, I am so happy to be back. However, I am still kind of recovering kind of from everything that has been kind of going on. So just as a heads up, I will be changing my posting schedule to 1 day a week. So my cleaning content will go up on Sundays. Chime in down below and let me know if Sunday works best for you guys. I will try to have longer videos, being that it will be one video a week. I don't know for how long. I would love to do 2 videos a week, but as of right now, I need to just kind of take a step back. And plus, school has started again for my kids, and we are going to be really, really busy. So I want to make sure that I am making my commitments with my kids and my family first, and also here on YouTube with you guys. So my new posting will be on Sundays, probably around noontime. And I will still be active on the community tab here on YouTube and also over on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me over there. And yeah, so I am just going to wrap up this video. I'm just going to quickly sweep this space. This day we had some errands to run, so I only got to sweep this space, but later on I did come back and mop. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I appreciate all of your support and patience with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.